How to increase your Snap score rapidly. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you are able to increase your Snapchat score very fast. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your Play Store and download the application. So I'm just going to search for Snapchat here. And if you already have Snapchat, you just want to make sure that your application is up to date. And once you have updated the app, you just want to open the application. Once you open it up, you just want to head over to your chat section. So what you're going to do here is add random people. They don't necessarily have to add you back. Whenever you send a snap or a video, it will be counted as your snap score. So in this case, what you need to do is tap on this plus icon, search for random people, for example, AAA, and search for it. You can just add these random people, just search for A, and then you'll find many options here, like these ones. You can add them, you can search for B, and then you'll see all of these options here. You can add random people. And once you have done that, what you need to do is click a snap. And once you have clicked your snap, you just need to tap on send to. And you can just go ahead and tap on all of these options right here. And you can select these quick add options as well. So it will be, you can add them as your friend as well. And you can just add random people like this. Tap on send, and all of these people, it will increase your snap score right here. And if you keep doing this over time, you will have a very huge number of snap score. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.